Close.
It's whoever's
Get to that corner.
whoever starts to 5 wins.
Get to that corner.
Ready?
The whole corner.
Ready?
Why not?
Set, go. What? Yes. Okay, I forgot to turn keep inventory on. But
Well, that's
1-0.
Not used to this at all.
I didn't see my spawn point either.
Oh, what am I talking about?
Don't worry, I have it. Go do slash kill.
Why?
Actually, no, say your spawn point first, because I have to hit your feet. Okay, say your spawn point. Slash kill.
Wait, I don't have operators. I'm down.
Here, sir. Okay, go say your spawn point.
I can't.
I just turned you an operator. I'll start handing you your stuff.
I just flew on 5 so much people, imaginary people. And how much does an axe deal?
A lot.
6.
No, it does a lot more. Okay, now bow.
What?
So we're gonna go do slash kill. Okay, now
Wait.
slash kill.
Hold on, but I want to show you something.
Huh.
This is weird. This goes like. So, how do you do that? Oh, I can hit like.
You can hit multiple. It's called strafing, but I mean whatever. 3,
What do it?
2,
Axes?
what?
Axes?
What? No, it's sword.
Okay.
Well, actually, yeah, axe. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh. Hey, get your shield up. Hey. Hang on. Go get your shield.
Yeah, give me my shit. Oh, now you're pausing because I'm winning?
No.
Exactly.
No, you're not even saying it true. No, that's not even what's going on. You don't have your shield active.
I don't have a shield. I don't need a shield.
Yes, you do.
So shifting, I lose.
There, you're welcome. Okay, you ready? 10. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Dude, it hurt so bad. You spammed. Yes! Oh, 2 hearts. Okay.
Another one.
2-0. Holy, okay. Oh. Actually, I'm just gonna do slash kill. Slash kill is gonna be a lot easier. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, it's broken. Oh, it's broke. Oh! Oh, 1.5. Okay. Now it's getting actually closer. Okay. You're getting mad. You're gonna see. I'm gonna see both PvP both. Hey! I'm setting a spawn point. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Shot.
Hit me back. I think you want something, so.
Oh, dude, you're getting so close. You just need to get another hit off. It's not about sweaty fingers. It's about hitting slow and aiming your shots. Ready, set, go. No.
1.5. I got only 1-1. Woo!
Okay. What is this? 1-3.
Double shield.
3, 2, 1, go. Shot. I don't even know what happened there, but slash kill.
You're still 900.
Wait.
Why am I full?
Okay, I did kill a.
How do you still 900?
I didn't. Okay, you have axe. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. You did break it. You need to get the fully charged ones. Here, finish me off. I want to know how much damage it does. Do a crit on me. Ooh! Dude, it does so much. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
I had like crossbow for so long. Okay, I'm spamming.
Okay, 2, 3.
It's 2-4.
Okay. One more. Oh, you're making a comeback. Oh, jeez. Okay, I'm sweating. Okay, 3, 2.
Wait, no.
Okay.
I'm at full heart.
Slash kill.
Tell me.
Man.
Tell me.
Dude, I'm trying to do a command. Okay.
Why did you give us diamonds?
Come here. Okay.
Why did you give us an anvil?
I didn't give us. I gave me an anvil.
Yeah, but why?
Go repair all your armor.
I don't have enough XP.
Oh my gosh.
You are very, very stupid.
There.
I don't know how
There.
videos place on the house is kind of took a few days.
Okay. Ready?
Nope.
Okay, I don't need a shield right there. Okay, ready? Come on. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. No! Okay. Okay, I'm fine. Okay, that was a horrible shot.
Kill me.
Got 1 crit.
Oh, dodge. Aww.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
That was a terrible shot. Are you lagging? What? You said you only get 1 shot.
I said you can reload it. No! Oh. Okay, what's the score? Okay. Let me think. Okay, 2-4. Oh.
4-4.
Okay. Oh, jeez. Okay.
3.
3.
Wait. Show me.
Okay.
Quick search? Just quick search?
No. Here, I'll show you.
How to fix it? Oh, okay. Never mind.
3, 2, 1.
Are we doing first 1 to 5 with axe and sword?
Yeah. Oh, okay, that was actually really bad. Okay, now sword time. Remember, it's not spam.
I will not like this.
Oh, trust me, me neither. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
I'm gonna miss half the shots, but it's gonna kill me.
Okay, that was my first time using
What was your health? I'm not good at this. Can we do something good at, like build battle?
it. Okay,
Let's do that next video. Let's do that next video.
Okay, I'm fine with it. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Why do I think the axe deals so much more damage?
It does. You want me to show you how much it does?
Why not I have an axe and you have a sword? I think
You really?
that seems fair.
Oh, jeez. Okay, but I gotta use my shield. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that hurts so bad. Oh, okay.
0, 3.
Jeez, okay. Okay, you just have to not spam. If you don't spam, I bet you can kill me. 3, 2, 1.
I don't remember doing.
Why don't you just use an axe and break his shield?
You can't.
You can't use an axe?
No.
So you can you break his shield?
Yeah. He's running.
Dude, try to crit them.
No.
No, that hurts.
I'm not good at that. Can we please go to the anvil?
No! Oh, you hurt so bad. Oh my gosh, okay.
They won!
Wait, are you guys recording?
Yes.
You guys say, what's up, guys?
No.
Yo.
No, look. Yes, it is recording. So why do you say that?
Oh, it is?
Yes! With
Wow.
my
3.
mic on.
2, 1, go.
I'm the one that made the trick shot, not them!
Probably, wait, I have to scroll.
Who are they? Are like 3 of them, one they just don't know?
No.
How
My
much?
friend has.
Okay. Okay, I'm at 2 hearts. Just finish me. 3, 2. Okay. You hurt so bad with that.
Yeah, but if I win this match, I'll use my sword for a final one.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna do some more training in football. What is my training, but you guys.
Huh? Nice hacks! I swear.
Dude, you just got smoked. Okay, kill me, kill me, kill me. Give me a
Dude,
credit.
it's 5.
Give me a credit.
Dude, you won.
Okay. You were spamming. I can tell because I'm taking almost no damage.
Stop hitting me.
Oh.
I win!
Okay. Come on.
Hey, welcome back to this Let's Play video. Okay, I just finished my house and this crazy skeleton is just sniping me right now. So I say we get some sugar cane and. Like, look at this duck. This duck looks so funny. Also, dude, I can skin. He made it. Oh, it's a tough skin.
For all you don't know, he's a fox. He's almost
I'm a tiger. Get right.
exactly even worse. Foxes are so much better. And you still lost the fight. Wow. Jeez.
How did you get
Guys,
this?
Can I play catch or something?
how did you get this? A fox.
By killing you. Also, look how much this does.
Ah!
It breaks the shield. I'm waiting for it.